Hello guys. Tingnan nyo ang aking birdie guys. Super sweet, sweet. Yan, ginagawa nila. Lambing-lambing. Yan ang kakatiwel birds. Si Pogi at si Ganda. Yan, very sweet bird. Guys. May egg yan sila, kaya lang parang hindi nila nilimliman guys. Kaya yan, parang 2 beses na nangitlog na hindi naman naglimlim. Kaya hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Baka incubate na lang yung egg. Yun na siguro the best. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you.